but I only took that, I only took my lipstick off.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it was all in there. So, they're nothing on. Mommy, can you take my blue one out?
Why don't you try to get one of the blue ones out? Why don't you try? Lala,
One of the blue ones?
why don't you try to get one of the blue ones out? You're a big girl.
I just turned 5 and you can't do something. So for my time I don't do. I need more lipstick.
Hey Lala, look up.
Who are you gonna send it to?
I don't know. I can't get your face good though, because there's not enough light in here.
I know. Oh no!
Let me go back in.
Okay. Oh no! Hey, pop both of them out. Okay, pop them out. Then you can go back. Back into your cake. Back in your cake right now. Cinderella. Is it Cinderella cat?
I think so.
Or is it her cat?
Lala, look up at me. Lala, look at me. Hurry up. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Pretty.